One of the trends that I'm seeing is really simplicity, such as 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 products that can get multiple jobs done without any trade-offs. One of our hero products from P&G Professional is Spick and Span. So it's a 3-in-1 cleaner, a disinfectant, glass cleaner, and multi-surface cleaner that can really do all of those jobs in one. So it's really a workhorse.
Another trend we're seeing in the cleaning industry is the changing floor types, such as LVT, rubber, and bare polished concrete as well. The name of the game is low maintenance, so people are looking for floors that are easy to maintain and simple processes that are easy to train that they can use to keep the floors looking great.
One of the latest technologies that we've launched to the market is actually diamond pads. This pad would go underneath the cleaning machine. It just adheres at the bottom. Of course, they're not real diamonds, they're synthetic diamonds, but they're microscopically different size diamonds, and they abrade the floor. And by abrading the floor, you create a polishing and shining effect.
I think when I put it all together and kind of look at where this industry is headed, I mean, people are really looking for products that they know they can trust and they know will deliver value. So no one can afford to waste time, waste inventory space, waste money on something that is not going to work.